scatter dot because let me see. I also say that would give you for each of the values to be what represented on the diagram.
Okay, because
they
it's
are
not
different.
saying. Okay.
Particularly if you want to visualize the relationship between quantitative, which are numerical values, and these are numerical values. And then we also want to actually detect some patterns. You get it? See patterns, positive and negative relationship between these values. We also want to identify some outliers, which of the values are actually the lowest and which of them are the highest, far away from the center of values. You get it? And if you also want to compare the spread and variations across different values, we can use the scatter values, the scatter plot. You get it? So let me use this and see. Let me choose this. We have the simple scatter. Let's try with a simple scatter. Then we can also try with a simple dot and then 3D scatter. But let's try with a simple scatter first. Let's see. So here we are going to compare two variables. We are going to see, let's say, age and then how different genders reported their ages. You get it? So let's see, on the y-axis, we put in age, then on the horizontal axis, we put in gender. You get it? So these are the two variables that we are going to see. So we want to build some relationship between the gender and then the age. So which of the genders actually give certain ages and how gender disparity is shown in the world, in the age that we have. Is it the females that are actually younger or the males? And then actually the difference that we are going to establish that. So let me click on OK. So